Okay, today from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we are gonna cook a very tasty, healthy vegetable stock soup that can be used for wonton, for any type of soup you want, from Oriental soup style to you can use in American, Western cooking as well. Okay. Today we have some cabbage left over and sweet onion. We use it all. And then we are showing you how to peel. This one is jicama, it's sweet vegetable. You can eat it raw as well, but it's good to make the soup stock taste very good. Daikon, any type, Korean daikon, regular daikon will be good. And 2 sweet potato and 2 regular potato. We're gonna make a great soup out here, okay? Cut just from the tip there, and then peel them like that. So that's how you take the hard skin out of it. Cut and peel at the same time. When you see it brown like that, it's not a good jicama. You need to throw that out. That's a good piece. Okay, so we save that. And then we'll cut our sweet onion as well. Scrub the potato, and you scrub that with this soap, yeah? And these jicama are supposed to make it smaller into bite size, so it gets most of the juice out of it. The daikon, because of the very tough nature of it, so use a peeler for this daikon because it's tough. And if you use a knife, it takes most of the meat of it off, so it's not good. So only use the good one. Same thing. And because you make stock, you need to take this potato out early and leave it full, like that. Give a healthy taste of potato and sweet potato. Oriental soup that need clear broth. Cook the whole thing, because you don't want the muddy, again, your soup stock for wonton and ramen noodle. Okay, put a little bit of salt in here. Rub it a little. Rinse it now. And then the cabbage, the same. Cut them out so they are big piece to remove it easier after the soup is cooked. Okay, we put some water in the pan. Just half of it because we need to put room for the vegetable to come in. Jicama, sweet onion. Then we put 2 big carrot, 2 big sweet potato. Cannot put any more water in. Okay? Got room for it to grow. I'm going to trim a garlic and put it in as well. The full garlic, I cut it and cut in half and put it in. And keep watching it to make sure it doesn't spill out, okay? Turn the heat down to low, like little thing like that. And put a chopstick in here, 20 minutes total. And then you put a poke in and then take the sweet potato and the potato out, leave the rest in there for your soup vegetable. If you have dry mushroom, in Japanese they use it like umami. So this is umami itself. I immerse it in here. We poke the potato to see if it cooked, yeah. It goes through only halfway, so we need to cook a little bit more. The skinnier potato, they cook already. You know how it cooks. You take it out and you put the chopstick in. If it goes through, it is cooked, okay? Then we need to take the rest of the smaller potato out, the white potato and sweet potato. So again, poke it. Wow, go through already, right? See that? And you don't want to mush up your soup, so take it out now. So I'm going to put in some oil in here, a splash of oil, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of soy sauce. This is the daikon. You also poke it in like that. If it go through, that means it cooked. If it's not going through, it cooks, so it go through. So your little daikon is also cooked. Tasty and good, but you don't have to take it out because daikon is tougher to cook, so it's just okay, leave it in there. For the broth, remember we put some of the whole garlic in there, so skin, just pick them up like that. Just pick them up like this. Okay, next I want to put in a little of rock sugar to help the taste. The rock sugar or regular sugar, but rock sugar to make it taste a little bit better. Remember, gradually add your seasoning until it tastes good. Don't over season the soup, okay? To make it more golden, your soup, we put in some turmeric or tandoori masala and a little bit of fenugreek powder, quarter teaspoon. Same thing, quarter teaspoon. Don't overpower your soup. Just stir the seasoning into the broth. Put it at last 2-3 minutes. Look how pretty that is. And again, continue tasting your soup. Okay, see that golden color now? Wow, what a broth for everything. Golden soup. This can be brought for wonton soup and other kind of soup, Asian soup. And this is vegetable soup is good by itself too. You can eat them like that. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.